With Dashcam running, I was on my way to lunch. I heard a low-flying ghetto bird that sounded like it was doing a lot of aerial maneuvers and stressing the engine. And I heard faint sirens in the background, so I decided to check it out. As I turned the corner, I saw the helo was flying lower than I fly my own drone, and it appeared to be frantically changing directions. At this point, I was trying to figure out if it was out of control and crashing. It didn't look like a San Diego sheriff or PD bird, so I assumed it was Border Patrol or some other Fed. After I turned the corner, I saw the reason. A white BMW blew the stop sign a block ahead of me, and now was heading in my direction. The guy had a good 30-second lead on the ground units, but the helo seemed hell-bent to stay in his ass. I can hear the sirens are getting a little closer now. Here's the video from my cell phone. I wasn't able to catch up with them, so I headed back to the scene of the accident. The ghetto bird was still flying above us.
All right, we're in IB at Granger and Imperial Beach Boulevard at the scene of an accident, hit and run. The driver of this vehicle, of the hit and run vehicle, was being chased by Border Patrol. I do have footage of the Border Patrol chase for several blocks. I'll be posting that on YouTube channel. That's Imperial Beach, CopWatch Imperial Beach on YouTube. I apologize for the wind. Great beach community wind. I'm going to put a sock on my other microphone and turn that one on and see if it's better. The damage does not look to be major. The person took a right here from Imperial Beach Boulevard, then traveled north to, I'm not sure which street, but then ended up on 13th Street. I think they took this first left at Ebony, ended up on 13th Street, and that's where I picked up the chase from 13th to the freeway. I did lose them in Chula Vista. I'm not sure exactly what happened. Maybe they lost them, I'm not sure. Anyway, we have a sergeant on scene. I believe that might be Sgt Vega. I can't tell. No, it's not Sgt Vega. Let's see if I can't get a sergeant's name on this. I'd like to know who's in charge of the tyrants. Sure.
We'd appreciate it if nothing's disturbed.
Don't mind at all. You are Sgt Vega. How are you? Oh, he doesn't want to talk to me. He's not my friend. He's a little irritated at the complaints or two that were sustained. But anyway, yeah, Sgt Vega. He looks different. I've been used to Sgt Vega in the wintertime, so he's been more dressed up. And excuse the camera, I'm trying to slip a sock on. Alright. Switching microphones, hopefully that one will be better. As Sgt Vega and Deputy Price, we have on scene, as well as a Border Patrol helicopter above. I also have video of the Border Patrol helicopter, and I'm not sure how much I got, but he was doing donuts in the air, probably I'd say 150 feet up. I fly a drone. He was the lowest I've seen a helicopter above me. I thought he was going to crash, to be honest with you. Maybe he was 200 feet, but he was definitely as low as that. He's upwards of 500 now, but that's not where he was. Maybe he's at 400, but that's not where he was. I'll show it to you. He was on 13th Street. I called it doing donuts on 13th with a helicopter. This is a new deputy. I'm not sure what her name is. We should find out, but we're not going to do it when she's busy. She looks real busy. Shh, we're hunting deputies. Be very, very quiet. If they see us, they may run. Just kidding, you guys. For some reason, I started channeling Daffy Duck or Bugs Bunny or something. Anyway. And they're busy. They're writing. No, they're not writing anything down. They're recording. No, they're not recording anything. They're doing stuff. Sgt Vega finally has something better to do, and he's going to go not towards work. He's going the opposite way. He's going fast too. I think he's going to check out the wherever the chase ended up. Let's see if Sgt Vega gives us any information. You guys watch over there. I'm gonna watch Sgt Vega for a minute. Where are you going, Sgt Vega? Oh, he turned on his lights. He's taking a they're setting up a perimeter. What? Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. I think this just turned into a road trip. Hold on for the ride. We're going to go about 2.5 blocks away. I'll come back online then. In the meantime, enjoy the festivities. Little traveling music, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a helicopter above. Seems that they have a perimeter. Seems that they may have a perimeter. Still trying to figure out where. Give me a minute. Working on it. Opening sunroof. It's a pretty big perimeter though. Might have failed. Yeah, it's a huge perimeter that the helicopter's flying. And we lost Sgt Vega. He turned on his lights and stopped on the street there for a second. But now he is vanished. Oh shoot, I took the wrong turn. Looks like he's circling over there now. He's just kind of doing figure eights. So, looks like they may have lost somebody. Let's see if I can bring you guys into focus at all here. Yeah, I don't think they have anything. They're just circling the skies above. It looks like somebody may have bailed and foot bailed. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why they're circling above us, but they're slowly moving northeast. No, he's coming back above us. Yeah, right above us. All right, I think I'm gonna go offline. It looks like they are lost, and I don't want to drag you guys down their little lost world with them. So I will end this for now. Come back on if something happens. Check back on the channels. There will be some static video of the earlier chase. One love.
Police at the